Two Split. Today we are doing a quick unboxing of the Oneplus 7T. Now OnePlus, you see that they're a really cool company. They always try to be unique. Even their boxes are a bit taller than most. It's tall, nice and red. The version we have here today is the 128 gig version with 8 gigabytes of RAM, I believe. Yeah. And this is the frosted silver version. So let's just take that out of the box. Let's see if we can get into this box that is really tight to open. Might need a password for this. Okay, here we go. First up, some reading material. Never settle slogan. Some stickers. And a letter from the company. Which basically says, friend, what a way to open. OnePlus was built on the belief that the way things are isn't good enough. Skip, 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 blah, 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 blah. We can't wait to see what you achieve. Welcome to the OnePlus community. Never settle. Sincerely, Pete. Oh, you know who Pete is. I'm not going to get into that. So let's get back to the unboxing. So here's the star of the show. The OnePlus 7T with the huge camera model on the back. Let's put this to one side for a second and see what else is in here. This is the charging brick. This is capable of Warp Charge 30T. It's an improvement from the last one. It claims to be about 23% faster than the Warp Charge 30. There is also a free case in the box. This is typical of OnePlus. You've got your SIM eject tool and a special USB-C charger, which in combination with the brick gives you the Warp 30T charge. If you use the brick for something else, you won't get the Warp 30T, so you have to use them in combination together to get that Warp 30. Okay, so let's get back to the phone. The screen is a 6.55-inch fluid AMOLED screen. Beautiful, has that famous 90 Hz display that makes this phone sort of stand out amongst other phones. On the left side is the volume rocker, and on the right side is the dedicated power button and a slider which goes from vibrate to silent mode. There is a teardrop notch at the top, which OnePlus claims to be about 31% smaller than the notch on the OnePlus 7. We have a USB-C jack underneath the phone. This is right beside one of the speakers. On the back, we have the gigantic camera model that has gotten the house split. Some hate it, some love it. It houses 3 cameras. Okay, so let's get rid of this from the nicely frosted matte glass. Power it up, see if there's any juice in here. Moving along, let's try out the free case and see. Okay, look, the inside feels weird. I think it's specially designed not to, hold moisture or scratch the case or anything like that. But it looks boring though. It looks boring. Our bundle came with an extra screen guard and another case. I think this is called the Protection Edition. In another case, this case looks much better, has that sort of carbon fiber finish that looks cool. Let's try this case, let's give it a try. Yep, looks much better in my opinion. And that's it for our unboxing. This retails for about $600, but if you find deals, we will post them in the description below. Check out what we think in the review, popping up the screen right now, and let us know what you think. It would be great if you could subscribe to the channel for more content, and we will see you guys in the next one. Thanks so much. Take care.